EPCOT station. It is back here. By France. Here we go. Woo. This is really by far the prettiest station. Here we go.
Welcome aboard the Disney Skyliner at EPCOT International Gateway. We're flying to Disney's Riviera Resort with a final stop at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. We hope you enjoyed your visit to EPCOT and the World Showcase. Did you learn how to say hello in a different language today?
That's going to be gratitude.
There we go.
Okay, what?
So much France.
There's a huge sign that said coming.
All the
Right there.
But it didn't say what it was.
Well, the Ratatouille ride is coming, but I don't know what all the extra buildings are, really. But
She's never seen Ratatouille.
sunset over the
I don't know if I've
dolphins.
seen all of
So
them.
pretty.
Soon we'll be flying past Disney's Boardwalk Inn and Disney's Boardwalk Villas.
Oh, soon.
This charming lakeside resort offers magical lounges, enchanting restaurants, and live entertainment on the boardwalk every evening.
Jelly rolls. Wow, what a sunset.
Just the jelly rolls. So
Okay, wait, there's Star Wars.
there's some
Okay.
I don't
Tower
know
of
if it's
Terror.
to hear this, but like that CP boy, this should have been around.
Yeah.
So
So from up
back
here you can
to
see
right about
Boardwalk
6'9".
and the Swan and the Dolphin.
Where he was testifying, because you know, like he was snitching on like everybody. He was
Oh, look, here comes
testifying that theme
Winnie the
park
Pooh.
cast members actually do have extra tickets. They're not going to give you any because they don't know you.
There we go. Okay, just gonna show you the sunset because we're basically going exactly the way we just came.
We are now approaching the Skyliner turn station. While this special station was designed just for turning, other Skyliner stations were designed to complement their unique environments. From the glamour of Disney's Hollywood studios to the laid-back islands of Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort.
Yeah, so sometimes this thing is talking to us and sometimes it's not. We have discussed, maybe they could pipe some Disney music in here once in a while. It's kind of weird if you're in here with a bunch of strangers and you don't know what to talk about. Or sit awkwardly in silence.
You talk about
Like we
Disney.
did.
Huh?
Like we do. I mean, we're talking about Disney, to be honest.
Yeah. But we all know
Mom's
each other
not.
on this one.
Mom's not talking about anything. She's coloring.
I'm sure glad we're not stopped at that corner over there.
Well,
Going to be having a heart attack.
because you're over dramatic.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Calling out the mom!
Yeah.
She said, yeah, guys. She admitted it.
Yeah.
Women slow.
Alright, let's see.
Oh no, I'm sorry. They decided not to give you a heart attack twice.
First time was pretty fast.
Alright, so here we are in this little turn station. It's a little jiggly in here.
Just like me.
And we're so slow. Oh, but look over there, it's Mickey and Minnie. Oh, you can't see it. There they are. Oh,
I almost thought we were stopping.
there's the Pirates of
I
the
know if we
Caribbean
come
in
to a
here with
complete stop,
us.
I'm getting off. If that's what it said. Wait till it comes to a complete stop and then you
Yeah, it's
I'm
like
gonna wait for the doors to open too.
I kind of
it's a little bit warm in here while we're going really slow around this corner.
Uncomfortable.
It needs a little ACs.
Well, there's no airflow, so it's like really just like stale.
Yeah, because when I'm
You know,
Oof.
when I run around outside, under weather all day,
No, that's fine. I just don't like being enclosed in a stale airspace.
this is fine.
That's like riding in the car with the windows up and no AC on.
Oh, the windows down, but
Well, you can't in here. They are what they are.
oh,
It is good.
oh, it's too plastic.
And we're picking up things.
Whoa!
What is that? Oh, that's Wreck-It Ralph. Oh, I see the Frozen bus way down there.
Damn, we should have to go right back there. It's gonna take us so long to get there.
Oh, there's Coco! Yay! Coco!
They legally couldn't cross the road.
danger.
That's why we crossed it down here.
That is a really pretty like sunset.
Isn't it, though?
Back there.
Yeah. Oh, look at it
We
again.
hope you are
One more
enjoying your
time.
journey on the most magical flight on
There it
Earth.
is.
We are now traveling along Buena Vista Drive.
I believe we're technically over the drive.
Oh,
Not
they're
on
building
the
something
drive.
back there.
I thought she said along.
Alongside.
Did she say along?
There's Huey, Dewey, and Louie.
Maybe.
So there's Donald and Daisy.
That was going pretty fast.
Hey, there's dinner. Frog legs.
Must be windy because we are bouncing up and down now. Not a lot, just enough to notice.
And he sounds good too. Mary Poppins, y'all.
I don't know if you can see in the distance there, you can see all the other Skyliners going like the other direction. Little ones back there, see them? Yeah, so I think we all had like no to low expectations. Hold on.
In just a few moments, we will be arriving at Disney's Riviera Resort, a Disney vacation club. As one of the most picturesque vacation destinations in the world, the European Riviera has fascinated and inspired many great artists over the centuries, including Walt Disney himself.
Yeah, so we didn't have very high expectations getting on. Not really sure what to expect, but this is actually a really nice way to travel between the two parks, Hollywood Studios and EPCOT, and to get between the few resorts that are on the line. I think we were told it was like 7 or 8 minutes to get between EPCOT and the Riviera.
Welcome to Disney's Riviera Resort. If you are traveling to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort, Disney's Hollywood Studios, Disney's Pop Century Resort, or Disney's Art of Animation Resort, please remain on board.
Table and chair and everything, and coffee cup. You put them in it, so it's like a little miniature everything. And then did that side here and sprayed it into I started flying.
Yeah, so
Please remain seated until the doors automatically open. When exiting the cabin, please supervise children, collect your belongings, and watch your step. Thank you for flying with us. Por favor, permanezcan sentados hasta que las puertas se abran automáticamente.
Okay, right, so you heard that you can stay on the liner if you're going to the next destination and not getting off right where it goes. Oh, there's Star Wars. Coming in behind us also. Okay, so here we are. This is where we would get off if we were getting off at Riviera. This is how slow it moves, so you can get off. I'm also have posted some pictures where they have a little side track, so you can, if you have a stroller or a wheelchair or some other device to help you walk, they'll pull the car off onto that little side, so you can get on and off there without it moving.
Hi.
Hello.
How are you guys doing tonight?
Good. How are you?
I'm doing good. You enjoying your flight so far?
Yes, it's actually fun.
Oh, great. I'm glad to hear that.
Have any fun facts, tidbits?
This is the only line you can see all 4 theme parks on it.
Oh, okay. Cool.
You can barely see the Magic Kingdom. You look for I don't remember the hotel the monorail goes through.
Contemporary?
Yes, Contemporary. You look
Okay.
for the Contemporary, and it's right to its left. You can see Cinderella's castle.
Oh,
It's
okay.
so tiny.
That's okay. Well, look.
Yeah.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Have a great night.
Thank
Have a
you.
great life.
All right, you hear that, folks? The only line you can see all 4 parks.
Did you hear that, folks? I can't remember that. Remember the contemporary, which was the original.
That's okay. He was on the spot because he was freaking out because he was being videoed. Yeah, so here we are. This is about how long it takes to go through this little circle here to turn around. Oh, and if you're wondering, each of the stops does have a bathroom, even if it's only these little ends here. So it's like a shared, anyone can go in, but it's a single stall.
I did not
The big hubs did have a bigger one. Maybe if you when you get off and go to the Joffrey's.
That was at Caribbean Beach.
Oh. So here.
Oh no, that was the. Oh,
There we go.
They had the Joffrey's.
That was not the big hub, was it?
Yeah.
It was a big hub. Where? Caribbean. Yeah, Caribbean Beach has the Joffrey's outside of the queue line.
Oh look, there's lights in here.
Yeah, we're going so slow.
We should have asked them what this was.
Oh yeah, there's this weird little thing underneath the seats, and we don't know what it is, but it is locked shut. Guessing it has something to do with first aid, although it is not marked.
Our mom.
There's some lights so you can see
Oh,
over
yeah.
there.
No, it ain't.
Okay, the door's open, so we have a breeze, and there's the resort. So pretty. Oh. Hi.
Hello. Welcome to Riviera.
Thanks.
You're almost there. Have fun. Enjoy your flight.
Thanks.
Now you're gonna ask what for not.
Julius is chicken.
Oh, you are too busy, yeah.
Oh, whatever. You could have just jumped right in there. He was just saying hi and enjoy your flight and all that. Oh, there's Utopia. All right, taking off again.
I want to eat up there.
I wish this thing had a steeper drop.
You know that's gonna be a restaurant.
Yeah. I want to go there.
Yeah, sorry. Here.
Welcome aboard the Disney
Zooming
Skyliner
into
Disney Riviera
That's my
Resort,
bar.
a Disney
Fancy
vacation
restaurant.
club. If you are just joining us, we are on our way to Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort, with
she don't know
connecting
she
flights
got
to
the job.
Disney's
Is
Hollywood
it
Studios,
Caribbean or
Disney's
Caribbean?
Pop Century
Right, it's
Resort,
Caribbean.
and Disney's Art of Animation Resort.
Oh, look, you can creep up.
Look at
So,
how
bon
pretty it is up
voyage to
here.
the Mediterranean. We are about to go island hopping at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort.
Caribbean.
I am so ready to go island hopping. Let's do this.
How many like freaking pools does this resort have?
Okay, so
Oh,
it's
no, that
really
was tiny.
huge. No, they have little pools out by some of the buildings. There's a main pool.
That's over there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, the one with all the pirate
That's
stuff
where-
over there, the main pool.
We are now sailing over Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort, where everything feels like a Junkanoo celebration.
Caribbean Beach.
I wonder how high
It's
we are.
really pretty up here, honestly. Look at all the resort. So pretty.
I think we're like above 20.
And yeah, I have stayed at their Caribbean beach, and it is totally worth it, even though it's a gigantic, huge, sprawling. Oh, look, there's an empty pool. It's a huge, sprawling
In
resort,
just a
but it's
few moments,
great.
we will be landing at Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort.
Caribbean. Oh, look, a roundabout. Parking spaces.
Yeah, so it's like really nice up here with the sun going down. Like really, really nice.
Welcome to the islands of
Where's that,
Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort.
hotel the mall
All
is?
passengers must
Okay,
disembark
there's
or transfer at
the
this station.
Joffrey's
Thank you.
down
We
there.
hope you enjoyed
I would
the
assume
most
there's a
magical
little hub
flight
here.
on Earth.
That was actually fun to do that, like.
Right.
Please
wasn't so
remain
hungry,
seated
it's
until the
Okay,
doors
looks like they're getting all
automatically
set up
open.
for media
When
down
exiting
there.
the cabin, please
We can also go up here and
collect your belongings and watch your step.
And here we
Thank
are.
you for flying with us.
Oh,
You have to get off here.